we divide 936 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So 936 divided by 2 is 468. So this much for today and thanks for watching.